Hi, good morning to everyone. Today we will be doing a review of the Jiang Xin popcorn maker. Uh, just so you'll have an idea on how big this apparatus is. This is just how big it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to cook some popcorns over it. Just need to fill the the canister, I guess. There's a marking on it that says max, which basically you just need to fill to the with corn up to that level. So as we're doing so, okay, there we go. That should be enough. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we need to plug in this first. Hendrix, sagsak mo. Let's see if this works. No, not on Facebook. On YouTube. Okay. This machine is about 1,200 watts. And how much did we get this for, Mama?
366.
Okay. Yeah, we got it for 366 pesos. So you do the conversion. I'm not sure with the currency that you have. So, okay, we're gonna try to turn it on. Let's see if it can really make popcorns. Okay. There. So just so you can see it. Hold on. There we go. As you turn this on, there's like a hot air coming out of it. We just need to wait. Label says we need to wait for at least 3 minutes. Popcorn should be ready in 3 minutes, so we'll put in the timer. Let's see if it really is 3 minutes. By the way, you don't need to add butter, you don't need to add cheese or any flavor. You don't need to add oil. You just put the corns in, and we have popcorns now coming out of it.
You're popping.
Seems
Popcorns pop.
seems to be working. We're getting popcorns.
Hot. There's a ton of popcorn. Let's sell this. What?
Are we out? Okay, so you just turn it off once you have all of the popcorns out.
There's one more.
Guess that's it.
I think there's one more. There's three more.
So there you go. This is
What is it?
Three more.
the popcorns are pretty much cooked really well.
There
And
are
yes, it's
three
hot.
more.
Do not touch the don't touch the popcorn maker after cooking. So it's
Yummy.
okay. I think it's good. Thank you.
And it's also
Again, this is
yummy.
the Jiang Xin popcorn maker.
And it's
That's for about less than 400 pesos, ladies and gentlemen. Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Dylan.